Controlling the beat, niggas say horse bitch playing songs. And you know what I discovered? What they keep saying, keep your mind, come on, to shake muscles.
Hey Hacktubers! This is my studio, and here I'm recording my videos. I know that you will ask a bunch of questions, how I came up with ideas, how I shoot my videos, so don't be shy, comment below, and in one of my next videos I will make Q&A video and answering all your comments. Now about today's project, but before that, please Hackscribe and never miss a new video. Today's project will be key USB flash drive, and for making that you will need a couple of things. Let's see. I'm gonna need USB male connector, that is easy. The flash drive chip I pull out from old pen drive, key switch I purchased from eBay, and LEDs will show when it's locked, when it's unlocked. I have soldered some wires and two LEDs. The red LED is directly connected to the negative and positive terminal and will turn on when the USB connector is plugged. The blue LED will show when the key is turned on. I soldered the wires from USB connector to the flash drive, except the positive wire. This wire will go to the switch and from here to the flash drive. I am using this plastic case for our key USB flash drive gadget. To make even secure it, I will fill up everything with hot glue. Now we're gonna see, does it work? Maybe it's not best looking gadget, but it's working. Thanks for watching, please subscribe and visit my channel page for more videos.